Hi Chun-Yi, so thank you for the files. So this is what we're trying to solve. I'm only going to pick on segment 2 and segment 3 because they're the only ones with the tags. This one I'm sure you can handle. This is not difficult to do even in Studio with a simple search and replace. So let's tackle these one with the tags. So here I've got a problem where I've got a space between the tag and the number after the Chinese character, and in this one I've got a space between the tag and the Chinese character before a number. So the only way I can tackle this is in the SDLXLIFF itself with a decent text editor. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is the SDLXLIFF we're talking about here. If I open that up in my editor, here's my editor. It allows me to put my regular expressions in, so I've put the search pattern down here and I've got my target over there. But if I show you how I work with this, because maybe that will help you understand a little bit better. I click on this button over here, which takes me to regex buddy. So you need both of, in order to do what I'm doing here, you need both of these applications. But you can do this search and replace that I'm about to do in Notepad++ without any of these tools. So I click on that. This opens up my regex buddy, which is a good place for me to check it. So this is my search pattern here, and this is my replace pattern. And if I scroll down, you can see that it's found the two offending characters. So here I found the first, or the Chinese character followed by the tag, followed by a space, followed by a number, and that's all it's picked up. And it's, excuse me, it's saved that into a back reference. In this case, this is actually the second part of the equation, which is this one here. And it saved the Chinese character into back reference number 1, and it saved the number into back reference number 2. So I'm pulling back the numbers, the Chinese character and the number, but I'm not pulling back the space. The space is there and I haven't remembered what it is. So my replace, if I just list my replacements, you'll see that the replacement omits the space, which is exactly what I want. And on the other one, it's omitted the space between the Chinese character and the tag and still captures the number, which is exactly what I want as well. So I can send that back, or I can go back to my EditPad Pro. And if I just do a start searching at the beginning and replace all search matches, it replaced 2 search matches. So I'll save that and close the file. And now when I open this up again in Studio, hopefully that will be correct. So now my spaces are gone. Yep, that's gone and this one's gone. So I could do the whole file very quickly just without a single operation. So that's how I would tackle it. The other ones I would just handle in the editor because that's pretty straightforward. So excuse me. I hope that helps and explains how to use that that expression I put into the post, and maybe you'll be able to tackle that directly in the SDLXLIFF in future.